Welcome back to the channel, friends. In this Tile Tool Tuesday, we will be reviewing a battery operated caulking gun. As per usual, what we're going to do is simple, bring the camera up close, unbox this, show you what it can do, and of course, test it on various types of caulking materials. But before we do that, if you guys want to help my channel, go to my online store down there in the link description, buy yourself a Tile Live t-shirt or a Keep Calm and Tile On mug. Or you can simply hit that like button down there. It really does help the channel and I really would appreciate it. Let's not waste any more time. Unbox this DEWALT battery operated caulking gun. Here we go. And here it is. The DEWALT DC-E560B 20 volt battery operated caulking gun. This is the 10-ounce version. This version is the tool only. You will need a battery to operate it. Let's unbox. And here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Right off the bat, it does feel fairly light. Here is your variable trigger. This variable trigger allows for increased flow of your adhesive. Here you have your variable speed dial. In order to set your maximum or minimum flow rate, this is equipped with an anti-drip feature, which automatically retracts the plunging rod so that you don't get excess adhesive from dripping out. This gun's equipped with a quick release canister, allowing you to install a larger canister such as your 29 ounce. And the gun is equipped with a light. Let's plug a battery in and test this thing out. As usual, guys, links will be in the description below with pricing and specs on this. And in my opinion, in regards to being a tile tool, this would be most widely used for your weedy shower systems. Now, weedy uses a sealant / waterproof for your screw holes, all of the seams and penetrations. Also, when after your tile is installed, running your silicone where the two planes meet, where the two sidewalls meet the back wall, and as well as things as simple as backsplash, it simply speeds up the time. Okay, let's test. Here's your light. Pull back this trigger here. Install your adhesive. These are the materials we'll be testing the gun with. Your standard acrylic latex, clear silicone, liquid nails, and of course for tile, your siliconized acrylic. Simply insert it like so. Press this trigger here, push this forward, and you're ready to go. And here we go. That's at the fastest speed, and then we slow it down. Now I was holding the gun at a 45. Let's try for a cleaner line. Now this definitely takes some practice and getting used to. It does have a variable trigger here. I should have let up on the trigger a bit so that my line is more consistent and clean. Moving on to silicone. Let's now try one clean line. And for a thinner line. And for your construction adhesive, this typically goes on very thick. And lastly, your color-matched acrylic silicone or color-matched silicone for tile installation. And of course for a thinner line. Well, there you have it, folks. Keep in mind, I don't have much experience with this. I'm sure after a couple of uses you will become a pro. I can see how this can save your finger from being sore and also speed up time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, the DEWALT 20V caulking gun. As usual, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.